Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Guys, today in this video, I will show you how to create a glamorous Mother's Day tablescape. So if you want to see how this turns out, please keep watching. Everyone, so my inspiration over here is the blue and gold, which is my favorite color of the year. So to all mothers over there that has a love for blue and gold, this tablescape is for you. And to all mothers out there, I would like to say advanced Mother's Day to all of you guys. I hope you enjoyed this creation. Alright, without further ado, let's get this started.
Don't get me wrong, sure we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do.
Welcome to my glamorous Mother's Day tablescape. I hope you enjoy.
Just being what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love.
My flowers, it is mixed from Pure One, Michael's, and Walmart.
Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm
The base came from Home Goods. Alright, with stock over here. My placemat, this one came from Home Goods last year. This one is also from Home Goods. This charger from Amazon, and all the dinner plates from Home Goods. My napkin came from Hobby Lobby, and my napkin ring came from Pure One. My silverware came from Target. And this blue wine glass, this is from Steve's mother. I'm going to remake another one with this, with blue and gold, and it will be all of this. I'm going to reuse this again in different setting, and that one, it is mixed with thrifted items. And you will wait to see how I create that look in a vintage glam style.
It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody to love. I need somebody. I need somebody. Give me somebody, somebody to love. Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts.
If you like this video, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell twice so every time I upload new videos, you will be notified.
Shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering
Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye everyone. Be safe.